Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Wasi, and today all of you know in our academy we organize Creative Saturday 3rd. So first of all, I would like to call Ariba Nazakat for English reading. The topic of English reading is An Explorer of a Big Goal. A book is written by Qasim Malishi. Come here, beta. Aaj.
My name is Ariba. I am reading class 4. Once a man was living. He reads to a square. He on an old man who was promised by where this road leads to. The old man
Ask.
asks, with do you
Want.
man to go? The
बेटा
man
नर्वस ना हो, बिल्कुल नर्वस ना हो। आपको रीडिंग आती है, आराम से करो, ठीक है, ऊंची आवाज से करो।
the man
सैड,
said, I just
हिलना नहीं है, बिल्कुल हाँ।
I just
I just
want to move. I have not
sit नहीं है, SIT sit होता है। Set and नहीं है,
any
destination
destination. The old man
sad। देखो ये वर्ड
और-
रिपीट हुआ है बेटा, ये देखो ये वर्ड रिपीट हुआ है। इससे पहले ये देखो ऊपर भी वर्ड आपने पढ़ा है
और-
सैड। द ओल्ड मैन सैड,
The old man said, if you do not know about your
नहीं रिपीटेड वर्ड है। डेस्टिनेशन
destination, you
यू मे
looks
नहीं, यू मे चूज
use
एनी
any of the
वाज वेज।
words.
शाबाश, अरीबा के लिए क्लैपिंग कर रहा है। सो अफनान कम ऑन द स्टेज। अभी देखते हैं कि आप कितना हंसते हैं, रीडिंग से पता चल जाए। आ जाओ आगे आ जाओ, टेक इट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
My name is Afnan. I read in class 5th.
या यहाँ से ऐसे।
Moral of the story: you want every
यू वॉन्ट
life.
नहीं है,
What?
नहीं, यू वुड।
You would never like to ride on a bus about which you do not know where it is going to life. Going to life is also a journey, and to make it is successful journey. Successful journey on should.
ऑन नहीं है, वन
One should
वन शुड।
be consequences.
क्या लिखा है?
Consequences.
कॉन्शियस।
about his goals.
ये आगे बता रहे हैं कि इस बुक से लिखा है। चल अब यहाँ से दोबारा पढ़ना शुरू कर दें।
Once
Once नहीं है, once
a man was traveling. He reached to a square. He asked an old
ऑन नहीं
man,
है बेटा।
who was passing by where this road leads
नहीं है, लीड्स।
to. The old man asked, where do you want to go? The man sighed,
नहीं है, सैड।
I just want to move. I have not set any destination. The old man said, if you do not know about your destination, you may choose any of the ways.
Sure. Huge clap for Afnan. So I would like to call Arif Fatma on the stage for reading.
My name is Fatma. I read class 5.
My name is Arif Fatma.
My name is Abir Fatma. I class 8.
I class नहीं है.
I read class 5.
I read in class 5.
I read in class 5. He had a grade in.
He had नहीं है. He had
He had a grade in interest
interest
in
studies
studies from his
childhood. Shabash.
childhood, but the poor
Circumstances
circumstances of his house there are
hurdle
in his study. His father was a
labor
that was where he could not afford her
educational expenses.
and taxes. At last, he started selling milk and took the responsibility for his educational
Expenses.
expenses on his
Shoulder. Shah. Jazakallah. Bash a little bit. Clap for her. So I would like to call Hamza Nadeem on the stage for reading. So take it and start from the beginning.
My name is Hamza Nadeem. I read in class 5. He had a great interest in
बेटा ऊंची आवाज से करो.
his childhood, but the poor.
दोबारा यहाँ से पढ़ो और ऊंची आवाज से पढ़ो.
He had a great interest to studies
तू नहीं है.
in studies from his childhood, but the poor circumstances of his house were a hurdle in his study. His father was a laborer. That was where he could afford.
He could not
afford his educational expenses. At last, he started selling milk and took the responsibility for his educational expenses on his shoulder. The process of selling milk keep going.
not keep. It's kept.
It's kept going till he joined the college. His contempt and hard work put him back. He became a labor and a
Politicians.
politician. The journey of his success did not end here. Rather,
Did not end here.
rather the young milkman
What?
got
Appointed.
at different ministries and departments of Pakistan. Finally, the prime
He
minister.
became
He became the prime minister of Pakistan.
Zabardast. Excellent. Huge clap for him. Thank you. like to call Akib on the stage for reading. Come here. Take this and start from here.
My name is Akib Ali. I read in class 6.
यहाँ से जी बेटा यहाँ से.
Man how sit
Moral.
moral of the story. Man how sit a big goal of these live.
दोबारा पढ़ना बेटा.
Man how
Who
sit a big
sit not sit. It sat.
set a big
बेटा ऊंची आवाज से पढ़े. ऊंची आवाज से.
of these life
Of his life.
of his life survived through difficult
Situations.
situation and
Achieve it.
achieve it. A person who live with a
Who lives
who live with a big
big, not drum. Spell this word. Dream.
dream never done this because people remember those who live up
People remember those
those who live up
who, beta, it's not how. Who
live up
who live a
who live a
purposeful life.
purposeful life.
Shabash. Take a seat. Clap for Akib. So I would like to call Talha Nadeem on the stage for reading. So come here. Take it and start here.
My name is Talha Nadeem. I read in class 6th.
Loudly.
My name is Talha Nadeem. I read in class 6th. It was a cold evening of winter, and there were
Not where. Word.
graves in front
In front.
in front of my eyes till I can and sight. Both were boosting my sadness and loneliness. But loneliness. But the voice of an old man who was
It's
sitting.
not how.
Who
Who.
was sitting in front of me was a light of hope for me. The silence of 7 days had ended, and it told, and it made me able to request that I had to wait so long for the answer to a question. For the last 7 days, I used to sit in front of him for 5 p.m.
Not till.
till midnight and repeat the same questions. That way life is full.
That? No. Not way. Why?
Why life is full of problems, heartbreaks and mysteries. Mysteries. He silently asked to wait by nodding in his head and eyes. It was the first time in my life when I had to experience that. Experience that.
बस thank you. Clap for Talha. बेटा वहाँ पे बैठ के हंसना बहुत आसान है. वहाँ पर बैठ के हंसना बहुत आसान है। जब इधर आप लोग आते हो ना, उस टाइम फिर आपकी ना काम पे टांग जाती है। उधर बैठ जाओ। स्टॉप। द लास्ट स्टूडेंट फॉर इंग्लिश रीडिंग इज Mohammed Ismail. Come on the stage and start reading. Take it. Start from here. First of all, introduce yourself in the loud voice. Okay?
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammed Ismail. I read in class 4. It has a cold memory of winter, and there's where carved in front of my ear till I can sight. Both were boosting my sadness and loneliness, but the voice of an old man who was sitting in front of me was a light of hope for me. The silence of 7 days had ended today, and it made me able to request that day I had to wait so long for the answer to a question. For the last 7 days, I used to sit in front of him from 5 p.m. till minding and repeat the same question. That way, life is full of problems,
Heartbreaks.
and
Miseries.
He silently asks us to
Everyone, be attentive.
Everyone to what by
Wait.
but by
Nodding.
his eat and eat. It was the first time in my life when I had to express that communication can be possible without the use of words, because I was practically going through with it for the last 7 days. At last, he spoke on the
Okay, that's enough. Big hands for him.